Assalamu alaikum to all those beautiful women. If you're someone who hates going to the salon, has very sensitive skin, get heat burns because of wax all the time, and is sick of using these strips, then I have got the perfect solution for you. I swear this invention was so needed. I am talking about Halawa silk wax and their applicator. So yesterday I waxed my arm with Halawa silk wax and I was shocked at the results and at the smoothness of their products. First step is using their sugar-based scrub.
So guys, it is very important to exfoliate your skin thoroughly before waxing it. So I'm using this scrub and it takes off the dead skin and dirt from the skin, and it actually smells like kiwi and super nice. Then I'm taking their wax, Halawa silk wax, and I'm using the applicator. It's so easy and simple, you can see. I swear it was super easy and quick. Their applicator have made it so easy to take off wax and simply take it off. Seriously, this has to be the quickest time that I waxed my whole arm.
I am a beginner in waxing, but it literally took me 5 minutes to do this. The third and last step is using their moisturizer. You really need to shift on this Halawa silk wax today. It is super handy, super quick, and pain-free.
So this is my arm before wax and this is my arm after waxing it with Halawa silk wax.